The next question that we want to ask about the northern and southern oceans is why should we be so concerned about oceans that are so far away? We could see why pollution problems in the Pacific and the Atlantic would be of issue because they're right outside our back door, but those that are in the northern and southern poles, we don't have a lot to do with. Well, the answer is beyond that we don't want to pollute the environment at all and that everything is interconnected. These oceans are so secluded from man that they're very sensitive, and very little interference can cause a tipping that will change the amount of ice and ultimately be a threat to the huge diversity of animals that occupy these areas. Also, beyond it being just an animals issue where we don't want to see these animals going extinct over man's interference, there are also breeding grounds. So both the northern and southern oceans are breeding grounds for many commercial fish, especially the really big ones. The tuna that everybody eats at sushi, swordfish, very large salmon, stuff like that. Most of that comes originally from these areas, cold water. Also, if anybody has ever gone and watched the crab show where they go out and crab in the Arctic waters for king crabs, all of that is sustained by these Arctic waters. So we are very directly involved in what's going on in these waters, even if we don't immediately realize it.